everyone, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to our home. This is Jubara and it's Barb, and today's video is just a bit different from other videos that I have. This is actually a review on the launch of a new product from one of my favorite companies to work with because of the quality of their products. With that said, this video is sponsored by NEWAIR. I'd like to thank NEWAIR for sponsoring this video and for sending me the NEWAIR 24-inch built-in premium 224 can beverage fridge with color changing LED light. This fridge also comes with 6 removable black chrome shelves, so you can customize your cooler contents the way you want to. So I got this fridge right before Christmas, and we were going to be getting a lot of soft drinks anyway because we were having just a few family members down. So we went ahead and filled the cooler up with Cokes and root beers and Sunkist and Dr. Peppers and all that good stuff. It fit everything, so I was super excited about that. So just some more details about this product. It is absolutely beautiful and convenient, especially when it comes to saving room in the big fridge. I love having it in my kitchen. It just adds a little something, but you could put it in the office, in a game room, or at the bar if you have a bar in your house. This fridge has a stainless steel door that is seamless and pro style handle for a more sleek and elevated look. It is built to hold bottles or cans. The temperature can be kept from 37 degrees to 65 degrees. I also love this fridge because it has a locking door, so we can keep the baby out of it at all times. So the key features of this product are color changing LED lights, red, white, and blue, seamless stainless steel door with pro style handle, spacious built-in design, fits under a standard kitchen cabinet and holds all types of beverages, reliable cooling with a fan circulation and precision temperature control, 37 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Customize your cooler contents with removable black chrome shelves. So you can get more details about this product if you go check the link below. Go click on that. Use code Jubara for your discount when you purchase the product, and I hope y'all enjoy it. If you do get it, I totally recommend it. It's absolutely stunning, like I said, and I hope all of y'all are having an amazing day, and I will see y'all in the next one. Love you all. Take care of each other. Bye.